I couldn't stop
You know what I'm saying? Boys trying to keep it real, but they gonna see how your boy get life these days, you know. It ain't a game, but you feel me? It's no hate. That's what it is. You ain't gotta, you know what I'm saying? Get into that. See, understand. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Yeah. And let me get back with y'all. But anyway, man, let me handle this business, man. Get back to the action. You know what I'm saying? Ready, huh? Get it right. You feel me? I know y'all be looking at my videos and be like, That's what I do. I grab each one of them. They'll pull it up. You know what I'm saying? Pull it up. My next video, when you run out, shoot that water in that thing. I don't even. When my shit get low, boy, it can get right here. I'll throw it away. Put your little water in and shake him off. You feel me? Shake him off. Take the top back off of him. And get them suds out there. Okay. Okay, man. Yeah. See, when I tell y'all to wash your hair every day, if you want to get no result, dog, man, listen. Don't stand at the sink and just wash your hair. Do it every time you take a bath. Do it every time you take a bath, man. You know what I'm saying? Do it every time you take a bath. I can pretty much tell you, boy. I'm a fat nigga, but boy, I'm one of the best smelling fat niggas out here. Everywhere I go. I don't play that, boy. No. Real as mine. This that motherfucker right here always keep soap in him, boy. Sick of it. This right here, why my eyes be red all the time, and that's why I do not smoke weed, because I have to work, and when I go in there I already look crazy. I'm slugged up, then my hair like this, they automatically think I burn. You know what I'm saying? Everybody always asking me, man, we ain't gonna go into that, but you know what I'm saying? That's why I don't even get down, but I act like I'm hungry, yeah. It's every day. Make sure you get all the soap out, though. In the next video, I'm gonna show y'all, like right now, y'all can see how it's all, you know what I'm saying? All this new growth right here, everywhere. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna show y'all how I do the rubber bands. Yeah, you don't see no parts or nothing. You know, let me get this soap out. I don't want the video to be too long. I got a mirror right beside Like I can look out in the shower, I got a mirror so I can tell. Sometimes when I get out the shower, I can hear the soap, you know what I'm saying? It make a sound, man, like, so I had to jump back in there, bit. This is him. Go here. Right here. Old girl told me the name is Sud or some shit. I ain't forgot about that. I think if don't nobody else come with nothing, man, that's what the name gonna be. Priscilla or something. Oh yeah, that's it, man. Make sure you all that. You know? Make sure you all that. You feel me? I'm always saying you feel me. Feel me? I'm always say you feel me, you feel me? But anyway, then I just shake it down.